Create a calm and soothing bathroom atmosphere with the Daybreak LED mirror by Affirmations Mirrors, available at Italtile. Assembled in South Africa, Affirmations Mirrors are coveted for their use of Pilkington Glass from Lancashire, universally recognized as the holy grail of glass. The Daybreak LED mirror, with its modern pull-shaped design, polished edges and cool white all-round LED light band, spreads light into walls and basin areas and can be hung landscape or portrait to create a warm ambient glow with the touch of a switch. Daybreak works well with round or oval basins and forms part of the Pilkington Optimirror range, which offers crystal clear color, clarity and greater resistance to natural atmospheric corrosion. As with all of Italtile's Affirmations eco-chic mirrors, the Daybreak LED mirror carries the LiveGreen logo, thanks to its sustainable design and manufacture that includes energy-efficient and eco-friendly materials. Bring in the light and reflect your own personal style with the Daybreak LED mirror.